BAE Systems has introduced the new tracked vehicle to the Eastern European market, with a notable appearance at the MSPO Defense Industry Show in Kielce, Poland. The Armored Multipurpose Vehicle, AMPV, is a family of next-generation, highly survivable tracked combat vehicles essential to the future of the U.S. Army and its allies. The new AMPV armored vehicle from global defense, aerospace, and security company BAE Systems is designed to replace the Vietnam-era M113 armored personnel carrier, which is still in large numbers in service with the armies of European countries. The AMPV is specifically designed to accommodate future technology needs, including enhanced size, weight, and power provisions for network integration and future mission payloads. This gives our formations a support vehicle that enables mission achievement today, and a highly capable vehicle that can maneuver with the Armored Brigade Combat Team, ABCT, in the toughest terrain, ready to integrate future technology and capabilities. The vehicles have completed dozens of tests through the Army to ensure soldiers are receiving a safe, combat-ready platform. The AMPV leverages aspects of the Bradley Infantry Fighting Vehicle and M109A7 self-propelled howitzer, furthering commonality in the ABCT fleet of vehicles.